So you've just unboxed your brand new MacBook. You sit down, open it up, and like any good Windows user, your instinct kicks in. You need a screenshot. Easy, right? You reach for the print screen key and then realize it doesn't exist. Panic. You start thinking, wait, is this going to be complicated? Did I just make a huge mistake switching to Mac? Don't worry, taking screenshots and even recording your screen is actually easier on a Mac once you know the shortcuts. And by the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly how to take screenshots and screen recordings on your MacBook, whether you need the whole screen, a single window, or just a small portion, but I'll also show you a bonus hack to create your own custom shortcut that makes the whole process faster and stress-free. You're going to love it. And if you're new to Mac, I've got you covered. You can grab my Day 1 Mac checklist and my Finder Shortcuts cheat sheet completely free. The links are below. These will save you hours of setup frustration. This is RowySwitch, where we make Apple aesthetic, simple, and stress-free. Hi! And before we dive in, if you also need to learn how to get organized on your Mac, definitely check out my video on setting up Finder after this one. It's the perfect next step. Now let's get into the video. The fastest way to capture your entire screen is Command plus Shift plus 3. That's it. Press those 3 keys together and your Mac instantly takes a snapshot of your whole screen. Think of it like taking a photo of your entire desk. Everything that's out, every tab, every app, all in one shot. If you're used to the print screen button on Windows, this is the Mac equivalent, but cleaner because the file is automatically saved for you. Next up, maybe you don't want the whole screen. Maybe you only want part of it. Press Command plus Shift plus 4. Your cursor turns into a little crosshair. Now just drag across the area you want. Release your fingers and boom, only that section is saved. This is like choosing one outfit from your closet instead of dragging everything out onto the floor. Simple, selective, and neat. I use this constantly for screenshots of charts, small sections of web pages, or when I only need a detail from a larger screen. Now let's say you only want to screenshot one specific app window, like Safari, Zoom, or Finder. Press Command plus Shift plus 4, then tap the space bar. Your cursor turns into a little camera. Click the window you want and it screenshots just that window with a perfect shadowed frame around it. This is the Mac version of Alt plus print screen on Windows, but it looks better because macOS makes the edges smooth and aesthetic. Here's where things get even better. If you press Command plus Shift plus 5, you'll open the screenshot toolbar. This toolbar is like your all-in-one control center. From here, you can capture the entire screen, capture a specific window, capture a selected portion. And this is also where screen recording tools live, which we'll cover in a moment. By the way, what's the very first thing you screenshotted or recorded on your Mac? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Mac tutorials and bonus hacks. It really helps this video reach more people who are just switching to Mac. So together we can make the journey easier and honestly a lot more fun. Plus, you'll get all my upcoming tips that will help you fall in love with your Mac even faster. Inside the toolbar, select the Record Entire Screen option, then click Record. This is perfect for recording presentations, tutorials, or full walkthroughs. When you're done, click the little stop button in the menu bar at the top. The recording automatically saves just like screenshots. If you don't need your entire screen, choose Record Selected Portion. Drag to highlight the area you want, maybe just your browser or a single window, and hit record. This is so useful if you're making tutorials or want to hide your messy desktop in the background. Now let's click on Options inside the toolbar. Here you'll find 3 really useful settings. Save location, choose where your recordings go. Desktop, documents, or a custom folder. Timer, pick 5 or 10 seconds if you want to get ready before recording starts. Microphone, add a voiceover if you're explaining something on screen. This makes your Mac's built-in recorder powerful enough to replace most third-party apps, and it's completely free. By default, screenshots save straight to your desktop, but you can change this in the toolbar under Options. I recommend creating a dedicated folder called Screenshots and Recordings to keep everything tidy, or rename it to match a project you're working on. Here's a quick trick. If you hold the Control key while taking a screenshot, it copies to your clipboard instead of saving a file. That means you can paste it straight into Notes, Mail, or even Canva without cluttering your desktop. After you take a screenshot or finish recording, you'll see a little thumbnail appear in the corner of your screen. Click it and you can crop, highlight, draw, or even sign directly before saving. This is so helpful for circling numbers in a report or quickly marking up a screenshot before sending. A few more quick pro tips. While dragging a screenshot selection, hold the space bar to reposition the box. Press escape if you change your mind and want to cancel. And remember, you can set a timer for both screenshots and recordings in the toolbar. These little touches make everything smoother once you know them. And if you're making the switch from Windows to Mac, I've got a full beginner playlist designed to make the change stress-free and actually enjoyable. You'll find it linked below. Okay, here's the big bonus hack I promised. You can actually create your own custom shortcut for screenshots and recordings. Go to System Settings, then Keyboard, then Shortcuts, then Screenshots, or just press Command plus Spacebar. In the search bar, type Keyboard and press Enter. Go to Shortcuts. Here you can change any of the default shortcuts to something easier to remember, like Command plus S for the screenshot toolbar. This saves you time, keeps your workflow intuitive, and honestly makes the whole process a lot more simple and stress-free. So now you know every way to take screenshots and recordings on your Mac. And the bonus hack to make things even more simple. Remember, just go at your own pace. Pause this video if you need to, or replay parts until it clicks. You'll get it in no time. If this video saved you time, just imagine how much my free day, 1 Mac checklist, and Finder shortcuts cheat sheet will help you as a beginner with your new MacBook. Both are linked below. Don't miss them. And before you go, don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe. It helps more beginners just like you discover these tips and start enjoying their Mac without stress. Plus, you'll get all my upcoming beginner tutorials and bonus hacks that will make your Mac journey so much easier and honestly, way more fun. For your next step, check out my video on Finder setup or dive straight into my beginner playlist to make your Mac feel like home. This is RowySwitch, where we make Apple aesthetic, simple, and stress-free. See you in the next one.